Welcome back to AI with Lilly. If you love free tools, this video is for you. In 2026, you do not need a huge budget to start using artificial intelligence. You just need the right tools, the right prompts, and a simple workflow. Today, I am sharing my top 5 free AI tools you should use this year. These are tools for writing, research, studying, designing, planning, and creative content. Some have paid upgrades, but you can start with the free version and still get real value. So save this video because number 5 maybe become your favorite creative assistant. Tool number 1 is ChatGPT free. ChatGPT is the tool I recommend it for everyday thinking. You can use it to brainstorm video ideas, rewrite caption, plan your week, explain confusing topics, create emails, summarize notes, and practice languages. The best way to use ChatGPT is not to ask one tiny questions and leave. That is like a creative partner. Give it context, tell it your goal, and ask for a better version. For example, instead of saying write a caption, say write 3 Instagram captions for a beginner's audience, make them warm, clear, and motivational. That one detail changes everything. ChatGPT free is perfect for beginners because it helps you build the habit or asking better questions. Tool number 2 is Gemini. Gemini is Google's AI assistant, and it is great for people who already use Google tools. I like Gemini for quick explanation, planning, brainstorming, and turning messy ideas into organized steps. It is especially useful when you want a second opinion on something you are writing or creating. For example, you can ask Gemini to help compare 2 ideas, simplify a complicated topic, or create a checklist for a project. If you are a student, creator, or small business owner, Gemini can help you move from I have no idea where to start to okay, here is my first step. That is the power of a good AI assistant. Tool number 3 is Perplexity free. Perplexity is one of my favorite tools for research. Think of it like an AI search engine that gives your answers with sources. This is helpful when you are researching trends, tools, definition, news, or anything where accuracy matters. Instead of opening 10 tabs and getting overwhelmed, you can ask Perplexity a question and use the source to go deeper. My tip is to use it when you need current information. When still, click the sources and check the details yourself. Perplexity is not just for students, it is useful for creators who need facts, entrepreneurs who need market research, and anyone who wants faster learning. Tool number 4 is NotebookLM. NotebookLM is amazing when you already have information and you need to understand it better. You can add your own sources like documents, notes, PDFs, study materials, or research, and then ask questions based on 2 sources. This makes it different from a normal chatbot. Instead of giving random general answers, it focuses on the material you provide. You can use NotebookLM to summarize long notes, create study guides, pull out key ideas, prepare for meetings, or turn research into content outlines. If you are learning something new, this tool can save you hours. It is like having a study partner that actually reads the material. Tool number 5 is Canva AI free. Canva is already popular for design, but Canva AI makes it even more powerful. With the free plan, you can start exploring AI features for writing, design ideas, presentations, social posts, and creative projects. This is perfect if you want content that looks professional, but you are not a designer. You can use Canva to create thumbnails, Instagram posts, YouTube banners, pitch decks, flyers, worksheets, and sample videos. My favorite workflow is this. Use ChatGPT to write the idea, use Perplexity to check the facts, use NotebookLM to organize your notes, then use Canva to make the final design. That is how these free tools can work together. Now, here is the important part. Do not try to master every AI tool at once. Pick one tool for one problem. If your problem is writing, start with ChatGPT. If your problem is research, start with Perplexity. If your problem is studying documents, start with NotebookLM. If your problem is visuals, start with Canva. And if you live inside Google's ecosystem, try Gemini. The best AI tools is not the most expensive one. It is the one you actually use consistently. So, those are my top 5 free AI tools you should use in 2026. ChatGPT free, Gemini, Perplexity free, NotebookLM, and Canva AI free. Each one helps with a different part of your workflow, and together they can help you learn faster, create faster, and save time, especially for beginners, creators, students, freelancers, teachers, and anyone build smarter digital habits with this year. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe to AI with Lily, and comment which tool you want a full tutorial on next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!